Hello dance service friends, welcome to my channel. This dance service channel. I want to teach you how to make the origami flapping bird. It's called pelican bird with square paper like this. And let's start. First of all, pull into to make a triangle like this. Make a triangle, then open again and make the second triangle. This crease has to be crease hard, and then you have to open it now. Then you can either close like this, close it and push inside this side. The right hand side, push it. It's gonna be like this. Now put down, and this tip is gonna facing to you. Then now you have to flip this one to the right hand side here. Leave one lip only on the left hand side. Now this one is already 3 layers. 1, 2, 3, and put it flat like this. Now pick up first the top layer, and then you have to bend a little bit just like this, and hold this part just like this, to hold like this, and make a half triangle. Make a sub point here, and crease. Always make crease so it will look nice. Now you can press down this one, and then you do turn around face. Now this one facing to the left side, and push down this one to make it a sub point on the left hand side, and crease here, crease again like this. So now both sides we pull again. Now you flip down. Now just make a copy only. This one you have to put also on the left hand side, and now you hold like this. This finger hold it here, and this finger on the right hand finger do like this. Then this is make sub one here. Sub one again. Then now crease it. And now make this point here very sharp also, the same. Now this is both side is already pulled. Now you could hold right in the middle here and turn over. This gonna be to the left. left hand side. Push. And now hold this one here. Hold and pull. Hold like this. Look this line. This line. Just follow the line. This line. And crease a little. This to make a neck. And then now put it down. Now you have to open it. Open just like this. Then hold this with both your thumb and finger, and right on top of here you have to push down, and then on this inside part, and it's gonna be flip up, going up. This automatically gonna be like this. Now you got the neck already. Neck. Then this is gonna the wing gonna plate, and this is gonna the tail. This there. And now to make it head, you have to pull. Hold here, right on top here. Open a little bit. Just do like this. Just think about like that much, and press a little bit, and you have to pull up a little bit to make it shape. The shape of the head is like 1-2 ply. This one like this. Copies like this. Then now if you have a pen, you could just make an eyes here. Make eyes. So to make the bird can fly with eyes. Without eyes is gonna be fly somewhere else. Nowhere to go. Now this is the pelican. This how the pelican looks like. And now what you need to do is just pull this one. Pull in the back, the tail, and hold in the neck here. Then the pelican will be automatically plop. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And this is gonna flap like this. Yeah. The more you pull it will the more it flap. And this the what you call final pelican bird. Well, thank you for watching. We'll see you the next video.